Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock apps on your Android device so you can keep your private information secure. Now, whether you want to protect your social media or any other personal application, I'll walk you through the easiest way to do that. Now let's get started. Now today we're going to be doing it through a third-party app. Now why I'm using a third-party app is because not everyone is privileged to have the built-in app lock on their phone. So today we're going to be going through a third-party app, and that third-party app is called App Lock. After going to your Play Store and you've downloaded the App Lock, you want to tap on the App Lock. You're required to set a password, which I have already set. As you can see, all my application, none of them is locked. Now to easily just lock any application of my choice, now we're going to be using TikTok for example. You just want to tap on the lock icon at the right hand corner of your screen, and now guys, TikTok is locked. Now we are going to be trying that by going to our TikTok application. It's going to require for my password. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.